Hi everybody, you are watching Vitorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create the amazing ripple text effect in Adobe Illustrator. It will be editable text effect, so you can still edit the text and get this effect instantly. And I will show you three methods starting from the simplest one by using the Roughen effect. So I have this text here on the black background, and we need to go to the effect, then distort and transform, and then choose Roughen here. And from this drop down we need to reduce the size and reduce the amount of details to suit your design. Just click OK or smoothen the corners a bit and click OK to get your ripple text effect. Unfortunately, there is no way how you can split the text on two parts. One is affected, one is not affected. So this method is not that flexible. Let me show you much more flexible method with much more pleasant result. So let's go to the envelope distort. So you need to go to the object, then go to the envelope distort, and then make with mesh. And here we need to reduce the amount of columns to only one column and provide the rows depending on the size of your text and ripple effect that you want to get. So let me show you the general idea with the 16 rows. What would it take to create this effect? So now you need to switch to direct selection tool and select the first row and push it left, then push right the second row, and so on, so until you get the effect that you need. You can also edit it dot by dot. So here this is the ripple effect that you will get with the envelope distort with mesh option. As easy as it might look when you work with the limited number of rows, imagine if you're working with the more complex ripples when you need 40 rows, 50 rows. Dragging all of these points one side and another side will be overwhelming. So this is where the third method comes in handy, because it is much more easier for you to change the effect. So let me show you. You just need to go to appearance, add amount of details, and you will get completely different result. And it is very handy solution if you need to provide some options for the client to choose from. So let me show you how this method works. Pay attention to my layers panel. We have 3 layers right now. One is for parent and one is for child, and we need to grab this text. This is the simple text with no effect at all, with the size of 500 points, and we need to throw it on the symbols panel, and let's call it like maybe ripple, just like this. Okay, and we need to make a copy of this, make a duplicate, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F, and throw it to the child layer as well, and select the parent. Right now select the parent, but opposed to selecting the artwork itself, you need to select the layer. Take a look, it now has double border for it. Okay, once you selected the layer, you need to grab the transparency panel. If you don't find your transparency panel, go to the Windows transparency. You will see it here, and then make the mask. And as you can see, nothing has changed. Right now I want to disable, or I want to hide my child layer, so you can see better what is going on with my parent layer. So keep it selected, select your transparency mask. We'll be working with it, and grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. This is the white rectangle. You see, this is the white rectangle. You might work with the transparent rectangle. So we are working with the simple transparency mask. So once you get this result, select this layer again on the transparency panel, this white rectangle, and there is it. We finish with modifying the parent symbol. Now let's go to the child symbol. You see it's left unmodified. I want to delete the parent for some time, and I need to select again the layer, not the child symbol itself, but the layer either. And we need to grab and produce the transparency mask again with this button make mask. Select this transparency mask and provide the rectangle, white rectangle for the bottom. As you can see, it's white rectangle for the bottom of my. So I have the rectangle for the full body of my text set to the parent layer, and I have the rectangle for the legs of my typeface of my text. Okay, let me select now the effect, and now we need to go to the effect, distort and transform and roughen, and click OK. Apply it only to the layer and take a look what we have. Now we need to change your roughen effect or position of your layers, and there is it, guys. So for example, we can reduce the size to 2%, we can make it smooth, and we can change the number of details. Click OK. Now if you want to change the text itself, you need to select one of the layers, double click to open the symbol and change your design, for example to the same wave. Let me show you how it works. And as you can see, the parent symbol will influence the outcome of the child symbol as well, but all of the designs, all of the effects are kind of like targeting the layers itself, not the symbols. So the main idea is to keep the text unchanged while applying all the effects to the layers, and this is how you can get this wonderful and easy to do ripple text effect. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, guys, you can help me as well. You can give a thumb up, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can share it with your friends. Helps more people to see my videos. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.